on October 3rd of 2022. This was the altcoin doctor channel, this channel right here. We made a video about the Bitcoin rainbow indicator, or the R.Model, which we have been using. As you can see, prices was exactly at the $16,000 level. We said this could be the bottom according to our R.Model. And as you can see, just few years later, that was exactly the bottom right here for the Bitcoin price chart. Since then, we have used this model to basically predict the monthly price action for Bitcoin, and we have been correct since then, right? And usually after the halving, we usually see a few months of consolidation. Same thing, it happened after the first halving. We saw 2 months of consolidation, then we saw a massive bull run. We saw the same thing happen in the second halving. We saw about 4 to 5 months of consolidation, and then we saw a massive bull run. We saw the same thing happen in the third halving. We saw 5 to 6 months also of consolidation, and then a massive bull run. We have been saying that we were expecting few months of consolidation right here for the crypto market before we see that massive bull run. And we said anything from April to July / August could be that consolidation period for the crypto market. Hence, the price prediction for June or July of 2024. So the price prediction for July of 2024 still is based on the fact that we could continue to see this price action, and then in August / September we could see a push to the upside for the crypto market. I would be showing you more reasons why you should expect furthermore sideways action for this coin. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So today we are going to be looking at the July price prediction right here for YEARN.finance or YFI. We are on the weekly time frame. OKX is the data source, right? And one of the things we have been seeing according to our R.Model is that after every single halving, we see few months of consolidation before we see that massive bull run that usually happen, or that massive breakout. And we said July is still going to be part of those months where we still expect some sort of consolidation, and then we break out probably in August or September, right? So if we are expecting this consolidation, if we just bring out all our Fibonacci from top to bottom, as you can see, we continue consolidating, right? Even though we probably for YFI have been consolidating throughout 2023, we expect that consolidation to continue and basically break out in August or September, right? So July still be a consolidation month, and then we break out in July or September. And if we break out, what is our target right here for YFI? The minimum, take note, I said minimum target for us when we have that massive bull run or that breakout that would happen is basically the $61,000 level. So we are expecting YFI to push as high as the 61,000, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci level. But for July, we could still see prices just consolidate in between the 7,000 or 8,000 right here to the $5,000 level. We could just see that consolidation continue, and probably by September we break out to the upside. So basically that is the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.